Mama, are we having a Halloween party tonight?
Yes, my dear. I'm just waiting for Adrian to arrive.
Mama, Halloween looks so beautiful.
Yes, my love. I decorated all this just for you. Adrian, come quickly. Everything's ready. I'm waiting for you.
Aria, shh. I'm almost there.
Hurry then, Adrian. Everything's shining, but nothing feels complete without you.
Just a little more magic, and tonight's Halloween feast will be unforgettable.
I made a candy swirl.
That's perfect, sweetheart. You've added your own little Halloween magic.
Mama, look at all the pumpkins. Can we visit every house?
Of course, my little witch.